Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you OpenAI ChatGPT has released a images 2.0 latest model for actually creating and editing images. So if you simply type OpenAI images 2.0, you will see this official article by ChatGPT right here. And they explain that it is released today itself, April 21 to 2026. So it's a latest ChatGPT images 2.0 model for creating and editing images. And if you go to ChatGPT right here, you will find this option in the chat window. Directly, you will see these three options which will be there: create an image, write or edit an image, or look something up. So this is really insane. I personally tried this. So you can easily do this by simply clicking this create an image. And once you select this option, you will need to describe what sort of image you want to generate. So you simply type here. So after you type the prompt here, now the AI will start generating this image. So the time taken by AI is really insane. It really took very less time to create the image. So once the image is generated, you will see the live preview. So it actually creates high quality images similar to Nano Banana of Google. And you can even edit your existing images as well. So we have this option. You can attach your own existing photograph and edit those images. And then it also provides the option to download the image as well. So we also get the download button. So now you can see the image is successfully created, and there is no watermark out there. So this image is fully professional HD looking. So you can click on this download button as you see that. So you click the download button and simply download the image. So you can see that the image is high quality looking. So from here you can also select any part of it. Let's suppose you want to edit this image. So you click the edit button, which is you select the image and you click this select button. So it's an overall editing tool as well. So let's suppose you want to simply edit the portion here. You will say please change the color of the from black to yellow. So I've just highlighted this portion right here, and now I'm telling the AI please change this color from black to yellow. So as I make this change here, now the AI will actually update this image and change that color from black to yellow. So you can just see how powerful it is. It will save you a lot of time. So you can do this with any kind of image. And it is completely free here. As you can see, I'm using the free account. So you just need to log in with your Google account to actually use this feature. So now you can see the resultant image is the original image was black color. Now it has been changed from black to yellow. So in this similar way, you can also create for different aspect ratios as well. From here, you select the option and you can select different aspect ratios as well. So now I will show you the existing image. So you can even, if you have an existing image, you can attach this your own image as well for editing. So simply select the image from local drive, and after that you simply type what sort of editing you want to do. So let's suppose I say please change the background to white color. So I just want the AI to remove the background and replace the background with the white color. So now you will actually see the background will be removed. So this is really insane high level quality, and it also don't take too much time as well. So in my opinion, this is a really good image model. So you will see that now the background is successfully removed, and you can see the image is background is successfully changed to white color, and you can just see the quality right here. It is similar to high level professional looking software like Photoshop where you actually use it. So the AI has done in just 10 seconds. So similarly, you can just write the instruction and the AI will do the rest of the job for you. So again, if you want to edit this further, you can also do that as well. So you can even replace the background to any kind of image. So I just tell the AI to change the background to. So the possibilities are endless. You can attach your own images, edit them using this AI model. You can create images. So there is no limit at the time of recording this video. So it is just released. So you can create unlimited images. So there is no limit as of now. So once it completes, guys, you can see that now it has replaced with a custom background right here. We replaced it. So you can't detect that it is edited by AI. So it is looking that good. So you can click the download button to actually download the output image, and you can just see right here the background has been successfully changed and replaced with a custom background. So in this easy way, you can create images, edit your images in a snap of a. So definitely check this model out for creating and editing your images on the fly. So I shown you all the examples right here, so you can create, edit images, everything you can do. So you can see that the image is successfully generated. So definitely check this model out and start creating and editing images.